weeks of working at full capacity, I needed to escape and find some peace again. This time, I returned to the snowy forest to enjoy the quiet at the small wooden cabin I built last year. Today, the air feels colder than usual. Perhaps a snowstorm will surround me tonight. I didn't come alone. My loyal companion, my little dog, is with me on this journey. We walk through deep snow, each step sinking into the endless white. After hours of trekking, we finally saw it. The wooden cabin, buried under heavy snow, waiting quietly like an old friend. The door was blocked. Snow had piled up so thick that I had to shovel for nearly an hour before I could push the door open. Each heavy scoop echoed in the silent forest. At last, the creaking door gave way, revealing the little shelter I had built with my own hands. The air inside was icy. I checked the old stove and found some leftover pieces of wood. A small fire, and a weak flame flickered to life. It wasn't enough to warm the room, but at least it pushed back some of the cold. I knew the night ahead wouldn't be easy. So, once again, I put on my hood and stepped outside. The forest was silent except for the storm. I split the logs into smaller pieces. Each strike echoed through the wilderness. Heavy work, but necessary, because every piece of wood was not just fuel, it was survival.